can you solve this geometry challenge? Here's the question. Given this isosceles right triangle ABC, wherein this angle A is 90 degrees, angle C is 45 degrees, of course, this angle B is also 45 degrees. Now, let's draw a square inside of it, and let's call this square KLMN. So again, KLMN must be a square. And then, this segment AL must be equal to 3 units. This segment AK must be equal to 4 units. Now, this LC must be X. Now, the question, our goal, is to find the value of X. Now, you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now, suppose you pause this video. Now, let's see if you get the correct answer. Alright. Now, given this condition, our goal is to find the value of this X. Now, to answer this question, we will need the concept that this triangle ABC is an isosceles right triangle. Now, what does it mean? Side AB must be equal to side AC. So, to answer this, if we get the length of this side AB, and we equate this to side AC, because side AC must be equal to 3, just 3, plus the value of X. That is the measure of side AC. Now, if we found the value of AB, then we're done. Alright, now, how do we find the value of AB? That's the question mark. That's the big question. So, to answer this, we will use this right triangle right over here. Now, this right triangle, we have side 3, we have 4, and of course, using Pythagorean theorem, we get that the hypotenuse must be equal to 5. Now, this is very famous 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Now, since KLMN is a square, it means that all sides must be equal. So, all of this side must be equal to 5. So, let's get this side and let's have 5. And now, the trick to answer this question and to find the value of this side AB is to draw a perpendicular line like this. Now, your question, how this trick works? Alright, so let's call this angle be equal to alpha. And this angle right over here be equal to beta. So, take note that alpha plus beta must be equal to 90 degrees. If we add alpha and beta, we have 90 degrees, of course. Now, this is 90 degrees for sure because this is a square. And if we add this angle to alpha, we have 90 degrees also. Therefore, this angle right over here must be equal to beta. And if this beta, this angle must be equal to alpha. Therefore, these two right triangles must be congruent. Oh, if this is congruent, this side length must be equal to 3 units, and this side length must be equal to 4 units. Alright, and then also take note that this angle B, take note that this triangle ABC is an isosceles right triangle, so this angle B must be 45 degrees. And now, this triangle right over here must be 90 degrees also. This is right triangle. It's not a right triangle, but this is an isosceles right triangle because if this is 45 degrees, this other angle must be 45 degrees also. And what does it mean? This triangle is an isosceles right triangle. If this is 4 units, the other side is also 4 units. So the other side is 4 units. Now, we can now find the value of side AB because we know side AB must be equal to 4 plus 3 plus 4. So, side AB must be equal to 4 plus 3 plus 4. And side AC is just 3 plus X. Now, if we subtract 3 on both sides, we cancel out this 3. So, we have 4 plus 4 equals X. And 4 plus 4 will give us 8. And that is the value of side X. Therefore, given this situation, given this condition, the value of X or the length of side LC or this X must be equal to 8 units. And as always, we are Done.